Hi everyone, welcome to the Smart Analyst channel. And my name is Sivam Kumar. And in a series of videos, I am with you. And this is the new playlist where I will explain Google My Map. It is a kind of GIS. For those who does not know about the GIS, I'll explain the basics to advance on this. And this video is intended for the freshers, early career, and whosoever is switching in the telecommunication industry, and the engineering background, which is from electrical, electronics, civil, and other background who are willing to learn the GIS. And in consultancy, this is the impactful video for those. So let's get started. So the today agenda about the Google My Map, I will explain about the about section, and then we will move to the legend and zoom ratio of this section. There are other section which is layers, base map, and legend icon. And apart from this, that I will explain the editing and other things, and the basic difference between like ArcGIS and the Google My Maps. In most of the organization, they are working on Google My Maps for the dependency of fiber planning. Some of them are peer services, Congruex Asia Pacific. Sometimes Amdocs they are working with some other organization like in South India, in Bangalore, some companies like Ramtech and something. There are plenty of companies which they are working in this on this platform. Okay, so let's deep dive into the Google My Map, and this is very easy software to learn. Okay, so let's start. So for the Google My Map, you just need to write in your tab Google My Map. Not in portrait. Don't need the pic. Google My Map. It will say Google My Map. See, there are some My Maps I have been created. So this is the prime interface. What you need to do, you need to click on create a new map. It will show. Okay, then create. Okay, then after you will see the main dashboard. This is the prime map or dashboard you will by default get. So first I will explain each section. What is this? This is the name section, and it tells about the map that you are creating. So it is the name you need to create. So I'll rename is a training uh, dash one, and then description GIS training. Okay, save. So it has been changed. Apart from then, after there are three section: add layer, share, and preview section. So what is this? This is, you can see below to this there are some one layer, and there are base map. If I'll click on add layer, by default there are one more layer which will be added over there. You can see there are two layer right now. So if I have to create, let me jump on any location where we can create a very clear map. Okay, so we'll jump at this location. Okay, and first before that, you can change the type of map. So at the base, you can see this is the base map. From here you can see multiple type of maps. So you will select the satellite view, and you can see multiple houses and each and everything over here. So whenever you will plan and you will make a planning for optical fiber, this will be quite handy and quite easy to go. Okay, now after that, if you are creating any kind of things like any kind of map or any kind of uh, legend you are adding, so how you can add, you can add from here. So this is the pan button. So if you'll click, so you can simply pan throughout your screen, and then you can press. Okay, now if you want to add any legend over here, like if you are making a plan, if you are making a design, you want to add any underground structure, any poles, or you want to add any lines. So what you can do there, this is the marker section. You can click and mark it over here. Okay, now it is asking for naming, so you can rename it uh, location 1.1. Save it. Now after that, you can see by default some of the data it's coming. This is the lat long of this point. You can edit it by clicking on this pencil button. You can add any image or video. If you see, if you are if this is the if this is the any existing infrastructure like underground manhole, service boxes, or any poles, so there might be any photos and videos. So you can, what you can do, you can click on this, and then after clicking on this, you can upload a video from your local drive. Okay, now from, you can give the direction from here, and if you don't want, you can simply delete it. But if you want to change the marker, like if you want to change the style of this marker, you can click over there. You can change the color from here. By default it is coming blue. If you want to change the yellow, if you want to change the green, it will appear over here. There are popular icons, so there are more icon. If you want to select it, see, every marker belongs to some criteria, like it is belongs to any shape. If there is any location which belongs to sports and recreation, places, transportation, crisis, weather, animals. So there are multiple markers. There are some marker which is the older icon, see here. So you can also use these older icons while creating your mark point. Okay, so by default, if I have to take any mark point, let me take this one and hit OK. So you can see this is coming like this. Okay, now there are two things. By in which layer it is coming, it is coming in this layer. Okay, now this is location. So what I can do, I can change the name of this layer. So by default it is untitled layer, so I am changing the location layer and save it. Now if I'll add one more marker and over here and save it, so you can see this marker had some other style, but when I created the new one, it is some other style. If I want a uniform style throughout my same layer, what I can do, I can click on this individual style and group place by, I can change to uniform style. So both of the marker is coming to the this one. So if one by one I'll not change, what I can do, I can come at this location and style, and then older icon, other icon, and choose, and you can see after clicking, both of the icon is matching to each other. Okay, now every time when you will create, you need to edit the name. So it is the location dash 2 and this is point 2. Okay, now see, this name of the both of the marker is not coming. So what you can do, you can come in at uniform style labels. You can change the label. At as of now it is coming with no label, but if you want a name or name with description both of them, so you can change. So if I'll click on name, so you can see it is coming on name. Let me change the base map. So see, you can see the location 1 and location 2. If I'll change the style to description also, so uh, uniform style, name description, uniform style, and then name it. Okay, so you can see location 1 and location 2. Now if I'm creating any rectangle, I want that in some other layer. So if I'll click over there and I will change the name of the layer to shapes. Okay, and save it. This is and in this current layer, which is, you need to just select it and edit it. So if I'll select it, and then this is the draw a line. If I'll draw, it is there are 4 section: add line or shape, add driving route, add biking route, add walking route. So it depends on the design, what kind of design you are making. So add line or shape. So shape is something, if you are adding line and end point and starting point, you are just joining, then it will be shape. Other than it is the simple line. So if I am starting at this location and then creating a shape, so I need to add. So it is created, and this is my shape. Not this is, this is my mini city. I'll name the dummy name as a uh, mega city hashtag 1. Okay, now you can see I cannot see the blurriness of this area has been increased. So how can I change the blurriness? So it is quite opaque. So if I'll click on this style button, and then after I will change the polygon transparency to 100%. You can see I can see everything. It's easily I can see each and everything. Now border width, it is quite thinner, so I can change the border width to little thick so that everyone can easily understand, okay, this is my mega city. Now what I can do, I can change to no label. It is coming, so I'll change to name, but it is coming in the center. Okay, so no, let's leave that. It is coming as a mini city over here, and now it's good. So this is how you can create each and everything. If by mistake if you have created, so undo option is here. You can see there is a undo option. You can, if you will click on this, so this will be appear over here. If I'll redo from here, so it will be disappeared. So this is the thing. Now if you want to add sorry, let's change the line. And if you want to measure a distance between two of the location or two of the structure, so what you can do, you can click on measure distance, click over here and then here, and hit enter. So this is the 21 meter between both of the location. It is coming 21 meter. So this is how you can measure distance. Now after creating a map, you can share this map with anyone. How? So you can click on this share button, and there are two options, like anyone with this link can view, or if I'll click over this, so if someone on internet can find this map easily, so do not click on this, and you can click over this, and then now uh, click over this, click on this copy button, and you can share with your teammates. So this is the Google My Map, and this is nothing more than that. If I'll create FTTX planning over here, it is too easy to create. Okay, so as of now, in today's video I have been completed the Google My Map, and this is a very basic GIS for the FTTX planning and designing. So once we will start the FTTX planning and designing, which will be the upcoming series of videos, especially the planning over the Google My Map. So I will explain a lot more on this, and what kind of other other data points, and what kind of other this style we are using. So it will be easy to understand. And if someone is switching over the carrier from planning to drafting, on drafting to fiber planning, this video is intended for them, and he will be easily understand how we are planning in the optical fiber industry. So please like and subscribe my video and share with your peer group, and we will meet in upcoming videos. Thank you team. Bye bye.